Good morning, all. Continuing with your trees. In last lecture, we did our tree traversal. So today, we are going to see two algorithms. First is the count algorithm, which will tell me the number of nodes in the tree. And second thing is depth algorithm, which will tell me the depth of the tree. So count is an algorithm which is having these arguments: left, right, root, and num. So first step I say, count algorithm is basically doing what? It is counting the
Sir, internal nodes?
any nodes.
Number of nodes.
Number of nodes. Basically number of nodes. So if root is null, num will be
0.
0 because there is no node. Root is null. If tree is there, root will be there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, this is basically a recursive algorithm. So I will call count again. For left, for right. Earlier we were counting this number of nodes for root. Now we will call for left of root. Left of root. And I will have a value num L, which will count the number of nodes in the left. Similarly, I will call this count. Earlier I went for left. Now I will go for right of root.
Right. Yes, sir.
And num R will be number of node in the right. And total number of node will be number of node in the left plus number of node in the right plus 1 for the root.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes,
Small,
sir.
very small algorithm. If root is null, number of node will be 0. And otherwise, I will count the number of node for left of root. Num L will give me the number of node in the left, and I will call the count for right part of the root. Num R will be number of node in the right, and total number of node will be number of node in the left plus number of node in the right plus 1 for the root. Root को भी तो count करना है.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy? Count algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it? Or you want to note it down? Should I erase it?
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it easy? तो सिंपली पहले
Yes,
रूट
sir.
के लिए चलाया, फिर रूट के लेफ्ट के लिए चलाया, रूट के राइट के लिए चलाया. Number of node, num L is the number of node in the left, num R is the number of node in the right, and total number of node will be number of node in the left plus number of node in the right plus 1 for the root. Okay? Should I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to see the depth of the tree. Okay? Depth of the tree. So again, I have named this algorithm as depth. I will start from the root. If root is null, depth will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will call depth for the left of the root, and DEPL will be the depth of the left subtree. Similarly, I will call the depth for right of the root, and depth R will be the depth of right subtree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you know the depth, the maximum number of nodes in any branch of the tree. We have done this in the last lecture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So depth, I will call for the root. If root is null, depth will be 0. Otherwise, I will call the depth for left of the root. Depth L will be depth of the left subtree. I will call the depth for right of the root. depth R will be the depth of the right tree. And now I have to check कि left की depth ज्यादा है या right की ज्यादा है. If depth of left is greater than depth of right, तो
Depth of
जो-
left is considered.
yes, then depth will be
Depth of left will be.
left plus 1 for the root.
Yes, sir.
Else depth will be depth of the right plus 1. End of if. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
लेफ्ट की डेप्थ ज्यादा है राइट से, तो वो मेरी डेप्थ होगी, उसमें एक ऐड कर दूंगा रूट के लिए. नहीं तो राइट की ज्यादा होगी, उसमें एक ऐड कर दूंगा रूट के लिए. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
This question has already come in one of your final examination. Counting recursive algorithm. These both are recursive algorithms. Because we are counting depth function calling itself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Should I raise it now?
Yes, sir.
If you today I will forward you the notes of this, and this tree chapter I have already shared वैसे, but it is available on 7.78 page. These two algorithm, counting the number of nodes and counting the depth of the tree. Please note down the page number 7.78. Okay. Now we are going to start a very tricky topic again. The last important topic, last but not the least. इसके बाद कुछ trees हमारे पास और बचेंगे. The tree is called BST.
Binary
Full name is-
search.
Yes, binary search tree. And what is the definition of this binary search tree? We have a root, we have a left, and we
Right.
have a right
Right.
again,
Yes.
because it is a binary tree. But left elements, all left elements will be less than the root, and all element at the right will be greater than the root.
Yes, sir.
Definition is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should we go for a few examples for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see. So all the element to the left are smaller than the root, all the element to the right are greater than the root. 40, 10, 60, 5, 20, 46. Is this a binary search tree? Check.
Yes, sir.
Check all elements.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So all element to the left are less than the root, all element to the right are
Greater than.
greater than the root. But notice
sir.
one thing very important here. It is again a tree, 10, 5, 20. All the element to the left of 10 will be less than 10. All the element to the right will be greater than 10, but less than 40.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Yes.
on the right, all the element to the left of 60 will be less than 60. All the element to the right of 60 will be greater than 60. But this less than 60, these elements which are less than 60 will be greater than 40.
Yes, sir.
सर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई एलिमेंट आ रहा है तो हम पहले रूट के साथ चेक करवाएंगे, अगर बिग होगा तो राइट में जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही. अब वो
उसके
एग्जांपल
हिसाब से
एग्जांपल ही
होगा.
करने वाले हैं, एग्जांपल ही करने वाले हैं. See,
Yes, sir.
this question has come in as a 5 marks question in your exam. 40, 60, 12, 10, 80, 55, 70. Make a binary search tree. So I'm going to make a binary search tree. Please see it and it will be easy for you. 40, first element. 60 is greater than 40. It will be here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right.
Then 12 is left to the 40.
Exactly. Where will be 10?
10 is
Left to
at
the
left
12.
of the
Left to
12,
the
Where will be 80?
right of the 60,
right of the 60.
Where will be 55?
left of the 60.
Left of 60.
And where will be 70?
Left
70
of
is
80.
at 8. Yes, sir. Left of 80.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
So just you need to check. You need to start from the root. 40, 60 is greater than, so it will be on right. 12 will be less than, so it will be on the left. 10 less than 40, less than 12.
Yes.
Then 80 greater than 40, greater than 60. So always start from the root. 55 greater than 40 but less than 60. 70 greater than 40 greater than 60 but less than 80.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to make the binary search tree if I give you
Yes,
the number
sir.
of elements?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I'm giving a list. Please make a binary search tree for me. 22, 70, 80, 12, 8, 46, 52. Make a binary search tree.
सर आफ्टर 12 कौन सा नंबर है?
8. This is 52.
52. Yes. 52 is left out. Yes, sir.
Please check. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Will you make another binary search tree for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving you a list. Here you will be stuck. Make a binary search tree.
Sir, 22 root node.
Okay.
Right node 70.
Okay.
Then
70.
left node 56.
Okay.
Right.
किसका ये भी बोलना है किसका left?
Yes, sir.
Now
Right of
और
70.
70 का right node
70 का
82
right 82.
82.
and 56 का left node 44.
Okay.
44
इसका
का
ही
left node
left
36.
36.
Okay.
Then 56 का
Eight-
जो right है वो 70
56
equal होता है सर 70
70 ऐड नहीं होगा अब,
होगा ना।
क्योंकि वो पहले ऐड हो चुका
870 again आ गया.
हाँ. This
So
is the trick I have put in this tree. 70 cannot be put again into this tree.
है. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
So
same
this is
element दोबारा नहीं हो सकता।
yes. This is the
Okay.
application of binary search tree. It helps you to identify duplicate elements.
Yes, sir.
It helps you to identify duplicate elements and then remove those duplicate elements.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So if you get some such example in that paper, so you just write here 70 is a duplicate element. Hence we cannot put this 70 element again into this tree. Just continue
Yes,
with the next element.
34 left to 36.
और ये statement लिखना जरूरी है जो मैंने आपको बोला.
70 is a duplicate element.
Yes. So binary search tree application is what? It helps you to
Find the duplicate
find the
element.
duplicate element and then remove it.
Yes, sir.
Suppose हम I card बांट रहे हैं तो like there's just two roll number same time, so it will help me to identify that this roll number has already been issued the ID card.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Now let us
सर
start.
बाइनरी ट्री जैसे आपने एग्जांपल करवाई थी स्टार्टिंग में कि बुक
Yes.
जैसे Sir,
Again it is same it is kind of binary search.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see few processes of it, then we will do algorithms for it. Searching 30, 10, 20, 18, 46, 42, 58. Is this tree a binary search tree? Check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Why no?
सर 10 के मतलब
क्योंकि
लेफ्ट
left
में
में
18 है.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
exactly.
सर वो 18 है.
Of course,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. 18
You
था.
need to check every element, please. Now tell me, I need to search 54. So from where I will start?
13
Root. I
right
will start from the
node.
root. 54 is greater than 40.
Yes, sir.
54 is greater than 46. 54 is less than 58. Hence found.
Yes, sir.
So I will start searching from the
Root.
root. Searching is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, next process is, suppose this is my tree. Next process is insertion into the binary search tree. Tell me any element I should insert here. Any numeric number. Tell me.
33.
33. 33 is greater than 30, less than 46, less than 42. तो ध्यान रखना है, any element you insert in this tree will be always a
Leaf.
Leaf.
leaf node. I hope you know the last node of the tree.
Yes.
Any numeric number you insert will be always inserted as.
Leaf node.
You want to try? Any
Yes.
numeric number you say. You want to try any number?
21.
21.
हमेशा लास्ट में ऐड होगा सर.
Always a leaf node.
Yes.
Any numeric number you take.
Sir, 18.
18.
Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You try any number, it will be always a leaf node.
Yes, sir.
Insertion is clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we go for deletion now?
Yes, sir.
Or first we should go for searching and insertion algorithm. Then we will
Sir.
go for deletion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Deletion is a bit tricky process. So let us do algorithms for searching and insertion. If you remember, I have shared a PDF file yesterday in your group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to view this searching algorithm on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So searching will start from
Root.
first step, pointer is root.
Pointer.
And why I have shared this BST PDF file specifically with you, because these are the simplest version of these algorithms. इससे आसान algorithm आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the algorithm for searching. The pointer will start from
Pointer.
root. We will start.
Root.
I hope screen is visible to you. Algorithm
Yes,
is
sir.
visible. The pointer will start from the root. And once the pointer starts from the root, I will set the flag as 0. Because if the element will be found in the tree, I will set the flag as 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Location is initially null because abhi mila nahi hai. First three steps are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, fourth step is a loop. Repeat by point is not equal to null because I have to go till null, till end of the tree. If item is equal to info PTR, PTR has started from the root. If I'm searching 30, so 30 will be found in the first shot. Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
So fifth step, flag will be set as 1, key found.
Location.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If item is less than info PTR, where I will go?
Left.
Left, pointer is equal to left of pointer. And else, बड़ा है तो कहाँ जाएंगे? Pointer is equal to
Right.
Right.
right of pointer, right में चले जाएंगे. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Easy है.
Yes, sir.
See the next step. If flag is 1, then found, because fifth step said if item will be found at the tree, flag will be 1. If flag is 1, return location, because we have found, search is successful.
Yes, sir.
Else we will say right, search is unsuccessful. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat it? Please.
Sir,
Yes. Fourth step says we have to go till null of the tree. है ना? Null तक जाएंगे last में.
Yes, sir.
And if item is equal to info PTR, suppose PTR is at root. If you see the first step, point is at root. And if you are searching 30, it will be found at the root.
Yes, sir.
And PTR will become your location. And flag will be set as 1 because element is found.
Yes, sir.
If element is less than root, we will go to the left of the tree. Else, hence it is written point is equal to left of pointer.
Yes, sir.
As we will go in the right.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear hai na? And
Yes.
see the next step. If flag is 1, the element will be search is successful.
Return.
And if it remains as 0, element will be
Search unsuccessful.
unsuccessful, not found.
Yes, sir.
See, trust me, this is the easiest version of searching. If you the notes that I have shared with you earlier, notes trees, in that case, in searching insertion algorithm is a bit tricky. So this is the easiest version.
Yes, sir.
Should I move now?
Yes, sir.
Should we go for insertion? Insertion into a binary search tree? Please tell.
Yes, sir.
Should we go for binary search tree insertion? And we know any element we insert will be inserted at.
Leaf.
We have tried this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see this algorithm on your screen, if because we are inserting into a binary search tree, we will take that memory from a whale, like linked list.
Yes, sir.
So if a whale is null, we will say overflow and exit.
Yes, sir.
First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Second step, we will take a new memory from a whale, and a whale is equal to link of a whale. This step we have already done.
Yes, sir.
Next step is info of new is equal to item. You are inserting, and you are inserting suppose 26, and I know 26 will be inserted here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First two steps are clear of the algo or not?
Clear, sir.
Please, everyone, first two steps are clear. These are the same you did in linked list.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if this 26 will be a leaf node, its left and right will be
Null.
null because it will be the last node of the tree. Left and right will be null. See the third step. Left of neon will be null, right of neon will be null.
Yes,
Because
sir.
any item you insert into a binary search tree will be always a leaf node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First three steps are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
First three steps clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth step. If root is null means there is no tree. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
In that case, your new element will be the root.
Yes, sir.
Fourth step is clear or not? If
Yes,
root is null, that means there is no tree. There is no tree. Root is null. So 26 you are inserting will be at the root now.
Yes, sir.
Four steps are clear. First four steps.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see the next step. Now 26 is the item I am going to insert. We have taken as example. Because whenever we want to insert, we have to find its location, and we will find its location starting from the root. See the fifth step. Pointer start from root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And there is a pointer written as PPTR. Parent to the pointer. इसका कोई parent है क्या?
No, sir.
So initially it will be
Null.
this step is clear or not?
Yes,
Please
sir.
read all first 5 steps and tell me first 5 steps are clear or not. Should I scroll the screen? This is the first step. A whale is null. We take the memory from a whale. A whale is equal to new node we got from the whale. A whale is equal to link of a whale. Is left of a whale, it is link of a whale. Info of new is item. New node will be the leaf node, hence its left and right will be null. If root is null, there is no tree. New will be the root. And here we are on the fifth step. Pointer started from the root. Pointer started from the root. And PPTR is null because there is no parent to the pointer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Five steps are clear to everyone. Please. First 5 steps
Yes,
are
sir.
clear or not? Now, sixth step. Repeat while pointer is not equal to null. Because I have to go till null. Till the end. Now, what I will do? I will do what? I'm going to insert 26. So earlier this was the pointer and PPTR was null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the scene? This was earlier pointer, but this will become now PPTR. Pointer will become
Parent
PPTR. If you see the step number 7, this PTR will become PPTR. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And I will check कि pointer को left में जाना है या right में जाना है. But 26 is less than
20,
30.
30.
It's 30.
Yes.
26 is less than 30. So pointer will come here.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, again, this PPTR will come here. And I will check, is 26 greater than 10?
Yes, sir.
तो pointer will come here.
Yes, sir.
तो आप ध्यान से देखिए PPTR के पीछे पीछे चल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Now, again, this will become PPTR and I will check, is 26 greater than 20?
Yes, sir.
So pointer will come here.
PPTR.
Now, is 26 greater than 21?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So PPTR will come here. और इसके बाद पॉइंटर कहां पहुंच जाएगा?
Null.
क्योंकि आगे तो कोई नोड ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
तो जो नई नोड आपको जोड़नी है, न्यू, अगर वो PPTR से बड़ी है तो कहां आ जाएगी? राइट में.
Right.
नहीं तो कहां चली जाएगी?
Left में.
सी एल्गोरिथम आपने कर लिया ऑलरेडी. 8वां स्टेप देखिए, इफ आइटम इज ग्रेटर देन इन्फो PTR वी विल मूव टू राइट, अदरवाइज वी विल मूव टू लेफ्ट. 8 स्टेप इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir. Clear.
9 स्टेप
Yes,
में
sir.
अगर आइटम PPTR से छोटा है तो कहां जाएगा PPTR के? लेफ्ट में. नहीं तो कहां जाएगा PPTR के?
Right में.
राइट में. इज इट इजी?
Yes, sir.
Please hold on for a second. हाँ जी, प्लीज. इज द algo clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
respond.
Yes, sir.
And again, this is the easiest version of it. इससे आसान algo नहीं हो सकता. Insertion and searching and inserting is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
We have done the example for it. Pointer was here, PPTR was null. Then this became PPTR, and we check item is less than or greater than. If it is less than, we will move to left. Pointer will come here. Then this will become pointer, PPTR, and I will check, is item greater than 26 greater than? Yes. So pointer will come here. Pointer आगे आगे जाएगा, PPTR पीछे पीछे जाएगा. एक बार pointer null हो जाएगा, तो PPTR उस नोड पे पहुंच जाएगा. फिर मुझे देखना है कि new item is greater than this or less than this. If it is greater than the PPTR, so it will be left of PPTR. Sorry, if it is greater than, so it will be right of PPTR. Else it will be left of PPTR. See the step number. This left of PPTR is equal to new. Else If item is less than info PTR, if item is less than info PTR, it will be on the left. So you have written, there is written left of PPTR is new. Else right of PPTR is new. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us do some poll. Okay, poll is launched. Please attempt the poll. Everybody attempt fast. I'm going to end this poll now. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Next, second poll. Only one question. Only one question. Please attempt it fast. I'm going to end this poll now. So item is always added to the
Leaf.
leaf of the tree. Let us see now the deletion case. Binary search tree deletion. And it is a bit tricky topic. Please do it very carefully. I'm going to cover it today. Binary search tree deletion. Now, this is the binary search tree deletion. Okay, let us see. Binary search tree deletion. I will move very slowly because this is a very important topic for you, binary search tree deletion. Now, tell me, 26, 10, 8, 20, 40, 36, 52. Is this tree a binary search tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, it is a binary search tree. Now, what we are doing? We are doing the deletion of any element from the binary search tree. It has two cases. Case A, case B. Now, case A says you are deleting a node with 0 child or 1 child. And case B says you are deleting a node with 2 child. Suppose I have taken this example specifically. And suppose I say here is 48, here is 46. Check, is this a binary search tree? Again, I've added few elements.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Binary.
Yes, yes. Now case A, first we will talk about 0 child. Suppose I delete 8. So is 8 having any child?
No, sir. 0 child.
No. So it will be case A. If I delete 8, this tree will be again a binary search tree. There will be no impact on this tree.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
0 is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
But suppose I delete 10, which is having 1 child. It is again case
A.
A. So if I
A.
delete 10, 8 will come here and this tree will again become a binary search tree.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Case A is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The node with 0 child, the node with 1 child. Now case B, suppose I delete 40. How many child it has? 2.
2.
It is case
B.
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 And suppose I delete 40 from here, which node should come here so that this tree should be again a binary search tree?
52.
52.
36 या सर
46.
See, don't make random guesses. That element is called in order successor. Now 40 is a node with two child. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Do what? 40 के राइट में आ जाओ और इसका लेफ्ट मोस्ट एलिमेंट देखो क्या है.
Yes, sir. 46.
तो 46 will come here.
Yes, sir.
हमेशा उसके राइट का लेफ्ट मोस्ट एलिमेंट. अगर राइट के लेफ्ट में कोई एलिमेंट ना हो तो राइट वाला एलिमेंट ही आ जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
But there is one very interesting thing here. This was a case,
B.
the node with two children. तो आपने क्या किया, उसके राइट का लेफ्ट मोस्ट एलिमेंट कॉल्ड इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर 46 आप यहां ले आए, तो दिस ट्री अगेन बिकेम अ बाइनरी सर्च ट्री. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But see, there is one thing very interesting here. If you want to bring 46 here, so you have to delete 46 from here.
यस
46 के कितने चाइल्ड हैं?
0
0.
कौन सा केस?
A.
तो केस बी में केस ए चलेगा ही चलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Because when you delete 40 from here, 46 come here. So for that you have to delete 46 from here.
Yes.
And 46 is a node with 0 child. So when we will write the algorithm for case B, we will call case A over there for deletion of.
46.
Is this clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Should we see the algo now? Please.
Yes.
Now it is available on your screen. First step is deletion of binary search, any element from binary search tree. The first is called find. Find is the algorithm you have already done. Search. थोड़ी देर पहले किया. The element you are going to delete, you will search that element, whether that element exists or not. If that exists, then only you can delete. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first we will find. Second step, if location is null, if that element is not found, can you delete?
No, sir.
No. So we will say item is not in the tree and exit. We cannot delete. First two steps are clear or not?
Clear, sir.
First two steps are clear or not? So please, if you see this question in your final paper, you will need to write 4 algorithms. Find, this deletion you are seeing on the screen, case A and case B. That algorithm we are going to do shortly. The 4 algorithm you need to write in this deletion of element from binary search tree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
First two steps are clear,
Yes, sir.
or I should repeat?
Clear, sir.
Call find that element you are trying to delete. Second step, if location is null, if your element you are trying to delete is not found in the tree, you cannot delete it. You will say item is not found in the tree and exit. Third step, if right of location is not null, suppose you are deleting 40, right is not null and left is not null, which is the case?
B.
Case B,
Yes, sir.
because it is a node with 2 children. You can see on screen, call case B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Else we will call case
A.
A. तो जो भी delete होगा, 4 step पे we are putting that to a whale.
Yes, sir.
Is the main algorithm clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have one main algorithm, delete, and 3 sub algorithms. Find, case A, case B. Find we have already seen. Searching in the binary search tree. Yes or no?
Yes,
We are
sir.
left with case A and case B. Main algorithm is clear or not? Please tell me.
Clear, sir.
Should I move?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
यस सर
कुछ 2-4 लोगों की आवाज आती है, बाकी कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं. Is it clear?
यस सर
Okay, now we are going to start with case A. And again, we are having a good example with us. This algorithm will become nothing. It will be zero if we know the algorithm example very well. So let us start case A. Case A is node with 0 or
One child.
one child. Now, first step, if left of location is null, suppose this is the location we are trying to read. If left of location is null and right of location is null, first step is clear or not?
Yes,
Child
sir.
is null. Set child as
Null.
null. If left of location is null, right of location is null, child is null. Of course, if we delete 8, 10th child will be null.
Yes, sir.
Child की value क्या आई है?
Null.
Null. Because if you delete 8 from here, 10th child will be null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, child value is null. Take this child value null to second step. If parent is not null, is parent null? Is 8th parent null? Please tell. Is 8th parent null? No. 8th parent is 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
Left. Yes,
Is
sir.
this
Yes.
location left of parent?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So what is written? Left of parent is child और child की value क्या आई थी?
0.8. Oh, 0.
Null. नहीं नहीं बनी बात.
Excuse me, sir.
I repeat. Please थोड़ी concentration लगाओ इसमें. 8. I'm first talking about the 0 child. Location. 0 child.
Yes, sir.
First step. If left of location is null, right of location is null. So what is the value of child?
Null.
Null. Set child is equal to null. ये याद रखेंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए.
Yes, sir.
Child value is
Null.
null. Child value is null. Okay. Move to second step now. Take that child null value to second step. Is 8th parent null?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is written over there? Left of parent will be child. And what was the value of child?
Null.
So
Null.
left of parent will be null, na? Left of parent will be null.
Yes,
8
sir.
delete हो गया automatically.
Is this clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone, any doubts, please? Because
sir.
if child value is null, 10th child will be null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This was case with 0 child. Now, hello,
Repeat once.
you are not audible. Hello, is this concept clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Should I move now?
Repeat once, sir.
Should I move now? Everyone,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
now, please, now. This was a node with 0 child. Now we will talk about 10. The node with 1 child. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, come to else part of first. If left of location is not null,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
left of location is not null. Child is left of lock.
Yes, sir.
If you
8,
delete 10, so who will come here?
8.
8.
Left of there.
If left of location is not null, because earlier we were deleting 8, now we are deleting 10 with 1 child.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the value of child?
8.
3. Left of lock.
8.
See the algorithm, na? If left of log is not null,
Yes, sir.
left of log is not null. So what is the value of child? See
Left
on the
of log.
screen. Left of log.
Left of
log is
8.
so child 8 ही तो आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now take this child 8 value to second step. Is location's parent null?
No.
Is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what will be the left of parent?
Child.
What was the value of child?
8. 8. 8.
So left of
8.
26 will be 8.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? Case
Yes.
A. Please tell if it is not clear, I can repeat.
Yes, sir. Please repeat.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Let us start this algorithm from scratch. Because see, don't worry about it. Every batch, when comes to this topic binary search tree, they feel a bit of problem. Now, let us start this algorithm from the state. Start. Case A is a node with 0 or.
One child.
So first we will discuss 0 child, then we will discuss 1 child. Okay. Now, first we will talk if we are deleting log 8. We are deleting 8. So check the first step. If left of log is null and right of log is null, 8's left is null, right is null? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the value of child? देखो ना स्क्रीन पे लिखा हुआ है चाइल्ड इज नल.
Sir.
चाइल्ड की वैल्यू क्या आई? Of course,
Null.
now if you delete 8, 10 child will be null.
Yes, sir.
Child value is null. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now
sir.
take this step, this value child null to second step. Is parent null? See on the screen. Is parent null?
No, sir.
Is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
So what is the left of parent now?
That
Child.
child.
And child's
Null.
value was?
Null.
So left of 10 will be null. Exactly. If you delete it.
Yes.
10 left of 10 will be null.
Is it clear or not? 0, 0. The node with 0 child is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
We move now.
Yes, sir.
Node with 1 child.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
see.
sir.
Suppose we are deleting 10. And we can see 10 has 1 child. So it is again case A with 1 child. Now see the else part of first step. If left of log is not null. If left of log is not null. Yes, 10's left is not null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the child? See on the
Left of-
screen. Left of log. Left
Left
of log
of-
is.
8.
8.
तो child की value क्या आई?
8.
So of course if you delete 10, 26 child will be 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you delete this 10, 26 child will be 8 now. And child's value 8, take it to second step. Is parent null? Is location's parent null? Please answer. Is location's parent null? No, it is 26. It is not null. Is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
Second step of the third. Second step. If location is left of parent, is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
So what is written over there? Left of parent is
Child.
child. What is the value of child?
8.
So if you delete 10, left of parent will be 8. यही तो बोल रहा है वो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is case A clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Should I move to case B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, please?
No, sir.
Okay, let us start case B now. So we have seen with 0 child and 1 child. Case B on the screen now. Now case B. And I told you, what is case B? The node with
Two
how many
child?
child?
2 childs.
Now you are deleting this 40. So I told you, what is its perfect substitute? इसके right का
Left of
Leftmost.
leftmost element called
in order successor.
in order successor. Now, see the first step of case B. तो ये मेरा लोकेशन है. पॉइंटर कहां आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे. Pointer is right of location. See first step. राइट में क्यों आए? क्योंकि इस राइट के कहां जाना है मुझे? लेफ्ट मोस्ट.
Leftmost. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Pointer is right of location, and this location will become another variable called save. First step.
Yes, sir.
और मुझे कहां जाना है? इसके लेफ्ट में. इसलिए लूप लगा है on the part B. Repeat while left of pointer is not null.
Yes, sir.
अब क्या करेंगे? पॉइंटर यहां पे है, पॉइंटर को डालता जाऊंगा सेव में और पॉइंटर आगे बढ़ता जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
फिर पॉइंटर को डालता जाऊंगा सेव में और पॉइंटर आगे बढ़ता जाएगा.
सर जो एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन होगी वो सेव की होगी ना?
पॉइंटर की तो
पॉइंटर
को
की
नहीं जानी है ना.
सर पॉइंटर तो नल हो जाएगा.
Okay, you want to say इसका लेफ्ट और राइट नल है तो यहां मुझे रुक जाना चाहिए. This is
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
तो stop it here. No pointer node.
Yes, sir.
And see the C step of first step. This pointer node will become my successor node.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to delete this 46 from here so that I can bring this 46 here. So 46 is a node with how many child?
Null child.
Zero.
So it is
Zero.
case
Case.
A. See the second step. Call case A.
Yes, sir.
First two steps are clear or not?
सर फर्स्टली हम 46 को कॉपी करेंगे.
Copy नहीं करेंगे, remove करके वहां लेके जाएंगे.
Yes,
Remove
sir.
करेंगे. That is case A, the node with zero child.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
First two steps are clear or not? Please tell me.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, 40 is 40. See the second step, third step. Sorry, is parent null? Is 40's parent null?
No, sir.
No. Is this location left of parent?
Yes, sir.
No,
It is
sir.
right of parent, yaar.
It is, sir. Yes.
Right
Right.
of parent.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
repeat, third step. This is the 40 location I'm trying to delete. Is it its parent null?
No, sir.
No. Is this location left of parent?
No, sir.
No, it is right of parent.
Yes,
तो
sir.
else बार चेक करिए. Else क्योंकि
That's
अगर
right.
लोकेशन लेफ्ट ऑफ पेरेंट नहीं है, राइट ऑफ पेरेंट है, तो राइट ऑफ पेरेंट विल बी
Successor.
successor is
46.
46 will come here. Right of parent will be successor.
Yes, sir.
अगर सर पेरेंट नल होगा तो रूट बन जाएगा सक्सेस.
Of course.
यस सर ठीक.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now see the step ahead. If 46 come here, successor, तो 46 का लेफ्ट कौन बनेगा?
36.
जो क्या था लोकेशन का लेफ्ट?
Yes, sir.
See the B part of third step. Left of successor will be which was left of location, and right of successor will be which was
Right.
right of location. See the B step of third step.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि आपने इसको तो लिंक कर लिया, 46 का लेफ्ट और राइट लिंक करना है ना, तो successor's left 46 will come here, successor's left will be which was left of location, that is 36, and successor's right will be 52 which was right of location. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Binary search tree deletion, how many algorithms are there? Main algorithm, find algorithm, case A algorithm, case B algorithm. So if this question comes in your paper, you need to write 4 algorithms, and generally this question comes in 10 marks question, because its size is big. You have to write 4 algorithms in this. Is the topic clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And again, you need a perfect example if you want to simplify your algorithm. If you want to make your algorithm simple, you need a good example. See, this example was having 0 child, having 1 child, having 2 child. So all cases covered in this example. Is it clear? Please, should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Confidence low है ये सर में. मुश्किल है? Was this topic difficult?
सर एक बार रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, एक बार देखना तो पड़ेगा. Exactly. But trust me, without example, you will not be able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And I was checking your sessional examination. I checked the sessional examination. People have written algorithm without solving any example. So it is a clear indication they have written algorithm from the book. Or they had no example. Tell me, have I explained you any algorithm without example?
No, sir.
Tell me,
No.
any example any algorithm we
No,
did
sir.
without example?
No, sir.
And you will admit this, that with example, how simple algorithm becomes.
Yes, sir.
Please do not do this mistake in your second sessional examination or final examination. Please do write a good example for each.
Yes, sir.
Now you are writing the quicksort algorithm and you are not solving the example given in the paper. What this signifies? This simply says that you have written the algorithm from the book.
Yes, sir.
Is it justified? Okay, let us do poll 3 now. Okay. It's on your screen now. Poll 3. Should I end this poll now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, going to end this poll now. Okay, the last poll for today.
Done, sir.
I'm going to end this poll now. It was having a single question only. So answer is identifying
Identify and duplicate.
Duplicate element.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to our next category of tree. Next category of tree is AVL tree. Full name is Adelson Belsky Landis tree. Its full name is. It is again a binary search tree. That means left element will be smaller than the root and right element will be
Larger than the root.
larger than the root, but with a condition called balance factor, which says height of left tree minus height of right tree should be -1, 0 or +1. This is an extra condition we have in ABL, which was not in binary search tree. Balance factor, height of left tree minus height of right tree should be -1, 0 or +1. Should we go for one example?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. But yes.
Okay, fine.
Sir means कि इनकी depth nearly equal होनी चाहिए.
See. 26, 10, 5, 36, 32, 40. Is this a binary search tree?
Yes,
AVL
sir.
tree first has to be a binary search tree. Then height of left tree 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3.
0.
0.
2 minus 1.
+1.
2 minus 1. 2 minus 2.
0.
So it is a AVL tree also. Is it clear now? Should we
Yes,
go
sir.
for more examples?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So AVL tree has basically got 4 rotations: LL, LR, RR, and RL. Suppose I say 26, 10, 40. Is this a binary search tree?
Yes, sir.
Is this a AVL tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो LL says लेफ्ट के लेफ्ट में एलिमेंट डालना पड़ेगा, लेफ्ट के लेफ्ट में. तो दिस एलिमेंट विल बी स्मॉलर. याद रखना है, बिकॉज बाइनरी सर्च ट्री.
Yes, sir.
Now check, is this see how you will attempt in this paper. You will LL apply LL rotation to it. It will become 26, 10, 40, 8. Now check, is this AVL? 3 minus 2,
Yes, sir.
2
Yes.
minus 1,
Plus
and
1.
leaf is always 0.
सर ये आप माइनस कैसे कर रहे हो? 2 minus 1.
I repeat. See, 3 minus 2,
Okay, sir.
Number
two.
of nodes.
My,
Yes.
you forgot the formula, height of left tree minus height of right tree.
Okay, sir.
So it is a binary search tree with a condition. Now. If I say LR rotation, that means left ke
Right.
right mein. And this element has to be greater than 10 but less than 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But suppose example is this. Suppose I take one example from your book, so that when you will read, it will be easier for you to see it. Yes. He has taken one example. I'm taking the same example which is given in your book. 96, 85, 110, 64, and 90. Is this binary search tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now he is applying LL. That means left के कहाँ element डालेंगे? Left
Left.
में. तो 96. Is this AVL tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 96, 85, 110, same tree. 64, 90, and left के left में 36. Now check, is this AVL?
No, sir.
It is AVL, but we will call it unbalanced AVL. Because if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 4 minus 2,
Plus
2,
2.
which is not as per AVL definition.
Yes, sir.
So we have to balance it. So balancing will result into like this: 85, 96. This tree should be again a binary search tree plus AVL. So rearrange those elements.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
So LL left का left, LR left का right, RR right का right should be greater than 110, and right का left should be less than 110 but greater than 96. Should I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us go for the next tree. Next tree is called, sorry, AVL tree we have done. MWay tree. MWay tree. Now it is like this: 26,
सर AVL ट्री की सिर्फ डेफिनेशन ही है।
जी, उसका सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट ही है, वी हैव नो एल्गोरिथम फॉर इट। These are the just some type of tree, extra trees we have.
Yes sir.
Now see this tree, MBA tree. It is again a binary search tree. Again a binary search tree. 26. How many keys we have? जितने भी एलिमेंट होंगे, key will be n plus 1.
Yes
One
sir.
element 2 keys, 2 element 3 keys, 2 element 3 keys, 2 element 3 keys. Okay? So this key points to element which are less than 26. This key points to element which are
Greater than.
greater than 26. Now
Great.
less than 26, less than 10, greater than 20, greater than 10 but less than 20, greater than 20 but greater than 20 should be less than 26 because it is on the left part. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Less than 10, 10 to 20, greater than 20. It is again a binary search tree.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this now? Should I move? Please. Please tell.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
again, we have a few definitions. But before that, let us do an important topic, Chetan. I need a marker. Huh? Topic is heap sort.
Yes sir.
Okay? Till now you have done bubble sort and quick sort. Today we are doing heap sort. And we are left with the insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, radix sort. These are the sorts we are left with. That we will cover in the last unit. Heap sort. Heap is basically arrangement of again element in the hierarchical order. But depends. We want to sort heap sort using a min heap or max heap. So before going for heap sort, you must know whether you want to go for min heap or the max heap. Okay? Please respond.
Yes.
And heap sort is a combination of two processes. One is called insert heap and one is called delete heap. Two types of heap sort, min heap, max heap. And whether you go for min heap, it will have two processes, insert heap, delete heap. If you go for max heap, again it will have two processes, insert heap and delete heap. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So tell me, I should solve min heap or max heap.
Min.
Because one example I will do, one example you will do. If I will do min heap, you will do max heap. If I will do max heap, you will do min heap. Tell me which I should go for.
Max heap.
Max heap.
Max heap.
Okay. Okay, max heap. Let us do max heap. Now, please forget that concept of binary search tree or AVL tree or MBA tree. That elements are on the left are less than root and right are greater than root. Forget that concept for a time, because in heap sort we do not have this concept. Less than left element are smaller than the root and right element are greater than the root. Okay.
Yes sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
max heap you told me 20, 10, 40, 60, 36, 48, 52. So I'm going to solve this using max heap. And what do you mean by max heap? Max heap simply says the largest element. Max means the largest element should be on the root. Max heap says the largest element should be on the
Root.
and min heap says
Root.
The minimum and
this smallest element should be on the root. Now see. I'm going to solve. First element is
60.
first element is 20.
No, root पे 60 है max heap.
ओ बाद में देखेंगे. Step by step I am making heap. Okay? 20. This is my A step. B step, 20 के लेफ्ट में क्या लगा दिया?
10.
10. Okay. C step, 20, 10. अब क्या लगाएंगे? 40. But I know max heap, largest element has to be on the top.
Yes, sir.
तो ये एलिमेंट स्वैप हो जाएंगे and this tree will become as 40, 10, 20. We have to move largest element towards the root because we are solving max heap. Now 40, 10, 20. Next element is 60. ध्यान रखना है एलिमेंट लगा कैसे रहे हैं. रूट का लेफ्ट राइट, फिर इसका लेफ्ट राइट, फिर इसका लेफ्ट राइट. Now 10's left is 60. 60 has to move above because 60 is greater than 10 and 60 is greater than 40. So it will make my tree like 60, 40, 20.
10.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now E step, next step. 60, 40, 20, 10. What is the next element?
36.
It is smaller than 40. So it will remain
Yes.
here only.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Till this steps are clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you noting with me on your copy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, next step. 60, 40, 20, 10, 36. What is the next element?
48.
48. 48 has to go on the top and 20 has to come here. So it will be 60, 40, 20, 10, 36. Sorry. 48 and 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next element. This is my D and this is my F step. Now, G step will do what? 60, 40, 48, 10, 36, 20. What is the last element?
52.
52. 52 has to come here. But eventually,
52 up.
60, it will be 60, 40, 52, 20, 48, 10, and
36.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this process is called,
Insertion.
because we are inserting element into the heap. And which heap?
Max heap.
Max heap. So this is your heap is ready. So should I start delete heap? Insert heap is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
ध्यान रखना एलिमेंट जोड़ने कैसे हैं. रूट का लेफ्ट राइट, देन इसका लेफ्ट राइट, देन इसका लेफ्ट राइट, इस तरीके से. Please forget that concept. Left element are smaller than the root and right element are greater than the root.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, once repeat 1 minute, sir.
your voice is not audible. Please repeat.
Sir, repeat. Sir, repeat 1 minute.
You are not audible at all. What you are saying?
सर एक बार रिपीट कीजिए फिर से.
Repeat. I said 20. First element.
Yes, sir.
10 is less than 20.
Yes, sir.
But 40 when I'll attach. Because we are doing max heap. तो 40 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 20 नीचे आ जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Because we have to take the maximum element. We have to move the largest element towards the root. Max heap.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
next element
Sir,
is
40.
60. So when I
Yes,
will
sir.
attach 60 here, 60 will move here, 10 will move here, 60 will move here, 40 will come here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Next is 36. 36 is less than 40, so there will be no change.
okay.
Next is 48.
Okay, sir.
48 यहाँ लगेगा, 48 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 20 नीचे आ जाएगा. And next element I have is 52.
Okay, okay.
52. 52 will come here, 48 will come here. My heap is ready. And this process we have done is called
Inserting.
Should I remove this? Should I erase this? Insert heap?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
सर ये
sir.
भी sorted form में है?
नहीं नहीं, अभी sort होगा, अभी delete हो जो करेंगे तब sort होगा.
Yes sir.
Now let us see. What is the heap what I have made? What is the heap I have made? 60, 40, 52, 20, 48, 10 and 36. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
This is the heap we have made.
Yes sir.
Now we are going to start which process? Delete heap. What is at the root?
60.
Delete it. Delete it and make a list. Put that element to the list. 60. If I delete 60, who will come here? Who will
52.
come on the top?
20.
Why 20? It is
52,
max
sir.
heap. 52 because largest element out of left all of these is 52.
Yes
So
sir.
52, 40, 10, 36, 48, 20. Now what is the root?
52.
Delete it. Put it to the list. Who will come on the top?
48.
Yes. 52, 40.
Sir 48.
Oh, sorry. 52 we have deleted. 48. बाकी कर लेंगे.
Yes sir.
Again delete 48. Who will come on the top?
40.
तो
40.
ये लिस्ट डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट होगी. Is it clear?
सर ड्यूरिंग डिलीटिंग हमें ये चेक करना पड़ेगा कि राइट बड़ा है कि लेफ्ट बड़ा है.
Of course. The largest element has to go to the top.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Is the example clear?
Yes sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Should I erase this now?
So 1 minute.
Okay. You want to note it down? Okay. सारे steps solve कर लीजिए आप अपनी copy पर. Please note it step by step on your copy. And check if the list is sorted in descending order.
Done sir.
Done.
Yes sir.
List ordered in ascending or descending order?
Ascending order.
Descending order. Yes.
Ascending order. Yes sir.
So if you will take min heap, the list will be sorted in.
Ascending order.
Yes.
ना ये क्या तुम किए हो
Should I raise this now?
देखो
Yes,
ये
sir.
वाला
न्यू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल बिल बनाने के लिए
Okay. Let us do now
टर्बो
a concept of internal path length and external path length.
अच्छा और ई क्या है ई बोले एगो डिलीट कर देना ई लड़का वाला
Which tree it is?
Sir.
Which tree it is?
Complete.
See, this is how you are preparing. This is which tree?
Sir, extended binary.
Extended binary tree. Two tree. Where these are, these square boxes are
External nodes.
external nodes and rounds are.
Internal.
Internal
Internal
nodes.
nodes.
Now let us find first the external path length. External path length of this tree. Check this node. How many edges toward the root? 1, 2. बाकी बताएं इसका
2.
2. हाँ जी next
4. 3.
1, 2, 3. इसका
Yes. 3.
3. Next last
2.
2. What is the value? 6 plus 6.
12.
Is it easy how we calculated? Pick a node and count the number of edges towards the root. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Now let us find the internal path length. Please, there's some noise source. Mohammad Arish,
Yes, sir.
please make your mic on mute. There's a noise on your side. Now let us find the internal path length. Internal node, these are internal node. इसका क्या है? ये कहीं से नहीं आ रहा. तो first value will be
0,
इसका
1,
इसका
2.
sorry,
1,
और इसका
2,
0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. What is the value?
4.
Check the relation. External path length is equal to internal path length plus 2 into n, where n is the number of internal nodes. Verified.
Yes, sir.
You did two relations earlier also. Depth is level plus 1 and external node is always internal node plus 1. Today
Yes,
you
sir.
did the third relation. External LE, external path length, is equal to internal path length plus 2 into n, where n is the number of,
Internal nodes.
and you can check the relation is verified. The value is same.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you please repeat, sir?
I repeat. External path length. You know how we calculate this? This value?
No, sir. No.
No.
I don't know.
See, this is the external node, na?
Yes, sir.
Count the number of edges towards root. 1, 2
Yes, sir.
plus iska 1, 2
Sir, every node का
plus
count
1,
करेंगे.
2, 3. Yes. 12.
Yes, sir. हो गया 12 आ गया.
Now internal path length. Internal nodes. ये कहां से आ रहा है? कहीं से नहीं. Hence 0. 1, 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
And this is the relation. Where n is the number of internal nodes.
Sir, external length equals to internal length plus
Plus
2
2
into
into
n.
n, where n is the number of internal nodes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Should I erase this now? Should I erase this?
1 minute, sir. Just one.
Okay, noted. This is the relation between the external path length and the internal path length. Should I erase this now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, imagine these external nodes have some values 2, 3, 2, 6, 4. These values are called weights. And now I need to find out what weighted path length. Okay. The first node is am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So 2 into number of edges towards the root
2,
plus
3 into 2,
exactly plus
2 into 3,
2 into 3,
plus
6 into 3,
6 into 3,
plus.
4
4
into
into
2.
2.
So this is the value of external path length. Oh, sorry, weighted path length. Because these are the weights which are given to me. Easy, eh?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I have a tree. Which tree it is?
General tree.
General tree. Everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Now, can we convert this general tree to binary tree? Yes.
Yes, sir.
How? How? This is my general tree, and I'm going to make its binary tree. What is the root?
A.
How many child A has got?
2.
3.
3.
B,
B, C, and D.
3.
Yes, sir.
So put the first child on the left and rest of the child on the right.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now B has how many child?
2.
First child on the left and rest of the child on. C has no child. D has how many child?
3.
Which are those?
3.
J, K, and L. First child on left and rest of child on.
Right.
So check binary tree. No node has more than 2 children.
Yes, sir.
So this is the binary tree for that general tree. Is it easy?
सर अगर इसको राइट में लेके जाते तब भी तो बाइनरी
हाँ बन जाता. We have made a standard rule.
यस सर.
Okay. Should I erase this now?
यस सर.
Any doubts in this? Should I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me see whether we are left with anything in the tree part. We have done the A-wheel tree, we have done the MB tree, sort. Then we did the general tree, binary tree. Okay.